uMasuku udalule ukuthi amaphoyisa ajutshwe emphakathini ukuvikela impahla.
People forcefully wanted to march, so the police were deployed to protect and stop that violence because it had become violent. People wanted to march regardless.
Ukuphikele nokho ukuthi asebenzisa inhlamvu zangempela ukuhlakaza ababhikishi nanokuthi kuneyindimbane zabantu ezilimele.
In Manzini, one protester was shot in the foot using a rubber bullet was used right there, and rubber bullets are considered minimum force, so that was the injury that was caused there.
Odwabeni lwezinguquko kuleli yazwe uMasuku uphendule kanje.
Political reforms can happen in that constitution, and so we believe that whatever the nation wants to change, our constitution provides for that.
Akazangathanda ukuphawula ngokuboshwa kwamalungu eParliament amabili uBacede Mabuza noMthandeni Dube laba baboshwa ngoNtulikazi.
Because in our constitution we have the separation of powers, with the legislature, with the executive, and we have the judiciary. So the matter of arrest is in the Director of Public Prosecution's office, which is part of the judiciary, and I cannot comment on when they will be released or when they will not be released.
Sisemanzonzo isimo kuleli yazwe.